Hi friends, Diwali is round the corner and I'm sure you all would have started preparing for it. So have I. Today we're going to make Besan Ladoo with just 5 simple ingredients. So let's see as to what are the ingredients required. Firstly, besan, which is about 500 grams, and then you need powdered sugar, which is about 1 kg, and ghee 350 grams, a handful of chopped dry fruits. Here I've taken almonds and pista, and also you would need about half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Once again friends, I'm preparing a huge batch of besan ladoo. In case you want to make a lesser number of besan ladoos, go ahead, use the same ingredients, but then have all the quantity. So I've taken a pan here and added all the ghee into it and allowed the ghee to melt. Once the ghee is melted completely, I'll be adding in the besan. I've added the besan and I'm continuously stirring it. Also, please note the flame has to be really low. The whole cooking process has to be done on a low flame. Keep continuously stirring it until it turns light brown in color. So friends, you can see it's turned light brownish now. I'm going to turn off the flame and let it cool completely. Only then shall we go ahead and add the other ingredients. So friends, the besan and ghee mixture has cooled completely. Now is the time for the cardamom powder to go in. I shall also add all the powdered sugar into it, give it a good mix and show you. So I've mixed it here well, and now is the time for the chopped dry fruits to go in. So I'm going to add all these, or you may reserve a little for garnishing purpose. And now is the best part to make them into ladoos or give them the shape of the ladoos. So friends, here is our besan ladoo. Do give it a try. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.